Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to remove subscribers from your YouTube account. And this is quite simple. First of all, what you need to do is go to your profile picture and then go to YouTube Studio. Then we are here on the Creator Studio, and then from here we go to Recent Subscribers right here, and then we click on See All. Then right here, make sure that you click here on Lifetime, and then after this you will find here all your subscribers and only the subscribers which are allowed to show their profile on your channel. Then from now, let's say we want this crazy chick to remove this chick. Then we click on this channel. Then we go to #crazychick68, and then from here we click here on more, and then right now we go to report user and then hide user from my channel. Then we click here on submit, and right now we remove a subscriber from our YouTube channel. So this is exactly how this works. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.